My name is Jadine Jansen, student number 25242076, and this is my presentation for the beginning knowledge assignment. Section 1 is natural science education, and for this section, I critique the lesson plan on floating and sinking fruit. While the activity is engaging, it could lead to misconceptions, such as the idea that heavier fruit always sink. I suggested improvements, like including prediction tables, guiding learners with questions, and extending the lesson to explore density. Assessment would be continuous, using observation, oral questions, and simple worksheets. This approach makes science hands-on and accessible to foundation phase learners. Section 2 is technology education. Here I focused on the technology design process, which includes identifying, investigating, designing, making, evaluating, and communicating. I adapted a learner-friendly activity where children designed animal shelters, promoting creativity and problem-solving skills. Assessment would not only focus on the product but also teamwork and process skills. I also compared creative arts and technology. Both encourage creativity, but technology emphasizes problem solving and functionality. Technology in foundation phase is important because it develops critical thinking, collaborating, and fine motor skills. Section 3 is social science. For this section, I linked a story about a rabbit and a chameleon to mapping skills. I suggested activities where learners create maps of their community and identifying key places such as schools and clinics. Active learning strategies such as role-playing, drawing, and group discussions make social science meaningful. Assessment would be varied, including observation, oral presentation, and rubric-based evaluation. In completing this assignment, I have learned that beginning knowledge subjects are interconnected. Natural science, technology, and social science help learners develop curiosity, problem-solving skills, and have a better understanding of the world. As a future teacher, I believe it is important to design lessons that are practical, learner-centered, and align with the CAPS curriculum. Thank you for coming to my presentation.